13 people are recovering this morning from carbon monoxide poisoning. They were sickened in a Vancouver office. Emergency health services say 2 of those people are in critical condition, and this was not an isolated incident. One of the doctors says there's been a recent spike in CO cases in Vancouver, and Mira Baines picks up the story from there.
Employees say offices at this building in Vancouver were evacuated after a serious carbon monoxide leak. The gas is colorless and odorless. In the morning, one person collapsed and paramedics were called in to help. BC Emergency Health Services said in a tweet that 13 patients were treated for carbon monoxide poisoning and transported to hospital, 2 people in critical condition. Paramedics who wear CO monitors arrived on scene and immediately detected carbon monoxide.
It is very important that people put them in their houses, in their buildings, in their office buildings. You can have exposures from things like furnaces or even wood stoves. We're seeing a higher incidence of this in the winter months.
Patients were taken to St. Paul's Hospital and to Vancouver General. Dr. Bruce Campagna treated one of the patients at VGH.
Only 1 or 2 were significantly poisoned. We took the worst one and had to put them in the chamber here. And they're still unwell, and they're going to probably remain in hospital.
Patients enter this hyperbaric chamber and breathe in 100% oxygen to help them recover. Carbon monoxide poisoning can lead to nausea, brain damage, seizures, and death. Campagna says the 13 people treated today are part of a worrying spike in CO cases.
When the weather gets cold, we see a lot more carbon monoxide, but this week has been insane. 17 cases this week that I'm aware of. There are many more that I'm not aware of.
And Campagna says it may prove fatal. He says in one case, a patient was overcome during a fire.
One of whom, unfortunately, is probably going to die.
He's pleading with people to buy carbon monoxide detectors for their homes, especially for their bedrooms. Mira Baines, CBC News, Vancouver.